Okay, so you got a few parts here to work with, right? Now, first of all, check your magazine. You'll see this little thing right here. You bring it down to this tab, this little cutaway. There's a little kind of button-like thing here on the other side. So you bring it down, you let that come right out while pushing on the other side. Booyah! You get your pin. Slide comes off pretty easy. Never let a hammer free fall. And you take out your recoil spring, recoil rod, or guide rod more or less. And you got this little cover here, hold everything all together. At least your recoil spring and recoil rod. Little cap here. And the barrel slides right out. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, you know. And there you go. It's gutless. So, that's my how to take it apart, how to put it back together. I'll do that real quick.